Yo guys, there is one thing I want to show you guys. Here is sorry, here is car alarm system. Before I have when I bought the car, there is a alarm system which is already installed. This is the remote, two remote. Unfortunately, two of them stopped working. So if I want to lock the car, when I come outside, I have to use I have to use the main key, which is this one, to lock the door, the four doors. So which is somehow it's not fine. You understand me? So I try to buy this alarm system key, remote key, this one, to install with this car. So I did it, I tried it, and I watched some YouTube videos. And this is the manual come with the key. Yeah, so this is how I try to fix it, and hopefully everything goes well, successful. Everything is now. I lock my car with a remote, but before I used to lock it with a key, which is sometimes it is very annoying, but now I do. So anytime you bought this alarm system, it will come with a manual. So the manual, that one you try to follow with your own car wiring. So this is how I wire my car. Okay, you see how it is. Many people use these wires. They cut some wires out of this one, but what I left is this wire. Where is it? The trunk release wire, which is green. Trunk release wire is only that one I left. I couldn't do it, but the most important thing is the key, alarm key. That is very important for me, and I did that one too. So guys, this is how I did it. So now this is my key, this is the remote, and this is the key that came with the car. Okay, so this is the remote, and the remote, it came, I think it's, yeah, the two remotes. Well, this is the spare one. This is what I have to keep with another key, one of the keys. because my car I have 2 keys, so I have to keep 1 key with 1 remote outside, which now I'm going to use this one. Okay, let me leave this one and use this one for the example. So now this door is unlock. You see, I open the door, I close. So this is the lock button. You see, it's lock, unlock. You see, lock, unlock. Now, one thing is, before, the former key or the former remote, which is this one, even when I'm driving, I can use this button to lock and unlock. But now, this one doesn't work anymore. But if I'm driving, the door will be, when I apply brake, when I start the engine or I start the car, the door will lock. When I start the car and apply brake, the door will lock automatically. So, for example, if I want to come down without off the engine, I have to use the remote to unlock the door, or I use my hand to press this one, to unlock the door. And this remote, this alarm system which I install for this car, now there is one thing, it's quite different from the former one. I can't, or when I remove the key from the car, within 20 seconds the door will lock automatically by itself. The door will lock automatically. You see, this is the signal light. Okay, so look what I want to show you now. This is unlock button. I unlock it. Okay, now look, I have removed, this is my key. I have removed the key. Okay, so let's wait about 20 seconds.